everyone, and thanks for joining me today for another episode of what's in my Aliexpress basket. Today we have lots of dies. It is from one seller, so there is one link to click on to go to their shop so you can have a look at all of their goodies, and you'll find all of these products there. So this first one is this lace edge die, and I love the example that they've given with these envelopes or these invites, or whether you seal them or they're just fold outs. Just gorgeous. £2.41. How decorative and beautiful and easy was that die. And this one, they have used this for places, is that right? But you actually get the top dies here, and you get the little dies that you can see in the center of the placemats. So I think you actually have to cut down your card size, but this is an example of how you can use this die. £3.18, just gorgeous. I'm not sure if I'm going to be making any for the wedding. I do not know. And then we have this cross stitch die, £2.27. Would make a lovely background. Then you could actually do a cross stitch pattern if you're good at cross stitch. I used to be, but now my eyesight is not so good and I find it all a bit too fiddly. I don't have the patience, if I'm honest with you, but you can use this as a background and it's just beautiful, and that's what I'm using it for. Right, then we have this lace rose corner die, £2.72, and as you can see from these what are almost like project life cards or journaling cards, they would just look super pretty, and that is what I have ordered it for, so I can make some lovely journaling cards with some lovely corners on. Won't they just be gorgeous? I'd like to try and tell you a little bit about what I'm going to use these for. Excuse me. Then we have a lace arch border die, £2.86. I'll probably use it for cards and also for tuck spots, do little tucks in the journals in little pockets and use them for that. I just think they would be super gorgeous, super lovely. Now the next one, I'm not quite sure what I'll use it for. I do have a couple of handbag dies. So this is a zipper die, £1.50. I just thought they were really super fun. I'm sure we'll find a project to put those on. I just thought it'd be I saw it and I thought, oh my gosh, that is cute. I do have a little handbag die that has a little zipper thing on it, but these are bigger, I think. So 3.7 by 8.9 centimeters, so they're quite big. If you're looking to put zippers on things. These are all ready for Halloween. This is a spider web edge die, £2.12. Great Halloween cards. I have some black silhouette cats, which I'm going to just do a row of those across with the spider webs and just do it very lovely and spooky for in time for Halloween. Yes, we need to get sort of in with the program, and I always leave things to the last minute and then run out of time. If you like fairies, there's this gorgeous butterfly fairy die, £1.51. I've got like a kind of a mixed array of goodies in my basket today. You just go to look for one thing and then you see something else and think, oh, I really have to have that. I know. Do I need the fairy die? But I like fairies, and fairies are good. Happy birthday sentiment die, always handy. If you don't have time to stamp something on a card, you can just cut some of these out in advance, have them in a little baggie, and they're £1.48. It's £1.48 for this die. I just think, cut a load out in advance and then you can make cards, and if you're not sure of the sentiment, just a birthday, just put that on and then you're good to go. Then we have a lovely, this is that border dies. I haven't got a price for these, somehow I've missed it out, unless it is the lace edge die. £2.50. They are lace edge dies, £2.50. I got my photos in the wrong order when I did my video, and there are these different edges. They are super cute. They'll, God, they will look lovely for tuck spot pockets, won't they? As will this swan edge. Oh my gosh, lovely swans die. £3.92. Great for wedding cards, engagement cards. Oh my gosh, I just think this would look lovely though as a huge tuck spot with you know, journaling space in the inside, as you can see from this picture. That would just be perfect. I'd just have it like that and have that as a tuck spot. Oh my gosh, I wish I had this in time. Oh, I could use that in my, when I get back from my wedding journal, couldn't I? Yes, yes, yes. Right, leaf dies, £1.43. Always handy to have a sprig of leaves for your projects, and this is quite a nice size one as well. And £1.43, you cannot go wrong with that. I do have lots of leafy sprigs, but this one are nice big leaves, so I thought I'd get it. And I kind of wanted a few sort of sentiment dies today. This is a happy Thanksgiving one. Now, yes, I'm in the UK, but you might not know this. My son-in-law is actually half American. So the grandkids are a quarter American, is that right? So he does celebrate Thanksgiving. So I thought I would make some Thanksgiving cards to give thanks for everyone that I love. And this is £1.96. And I know I have a lot of viewers from America, so that's a good one to have. And then we have a Merry Christmas die, which is £2.12. These sentiment dies are always so handy to have. You know, when they arrive, just cut out loads, have them all ready to go. Have a little baggie, index them, do whatever you do with your, when you stash them, but make sure you can find them when you're looking to make your cards, because that's my problem. I lose things. I need more organisation. Just get a box, just put your sentiments in. There you go. Right, another spider web edge die. This is a really fun one, and it's £2.97. I love it, especially with the little candy dots there. Again, just for Halloween cards. I can't imagine why you would use it for anything else. I don't know, but I would use them for Halloween cards for sure. And then these dies are always handy to have in your stash. This is a 90mm by 90mm flower circle die, £2.50. Very, very pretty. And you've got the two pieces there, so you've got the outer edge and you've got the centerpiece as well. And then all you need is a cute little embellishment for the inside of it, and you're good to go. The next die is just a round flower die, £2.03. Very lacy, very doily, very gorgeous. Yes, all right, with these dies you do need to have one of them precision cut-in boards, because cut-in plates, because otherwise it would just be a nightmare. So make sure you have a precision plate, or your cutting device or your cutting machine will actually do these dies, because they're very intricate. Very intricate. Okay, this one is a bird on a fence, £1.73. Very plain, very simple, but you know, just with a little sentiment, maybe put some flowers on the corner of that card. That would look just awesome by itself. I don't think you would need to do that much more. Just put a couple of little dainty little flowers, or one big flower in the corner and a sentiment in the middle, and then you would have a lovely super card. And then if you like birds, there are these bird dies. How cute are these? £1.81. Look, I don't think I'd do them in green though, but they do look cute. They look lovely. I really do love them. You could just do them on plain card and, you know, white cardstock, and then colour them in. Whatever you decide to do with them, they would look really cute with the little hoppy legs. They are just adorable. And then another Christmas die with this reindeer. It is £2.01. And I don't know if I told you, the bird dies are £1.81. Reindeer die, £2.01. You know, very lovely to have. You could do them in gold or red or blue, brown. You could do them in any colour really. They just are cute. These dies are very good if you just want to make very quick and easy cards, especially, or projects. Another sentiment one here, thank you so much. So now you've got a thank you, you've got a happy birthday, you've got a Thanksgiving. I'm looking out for more sentiment dies. This is £1.73, but it is very decorative as well. So you not only do you have the sentiment, you have a lovely decorative edge on that. And Bing is being a nutter again. You are a nutter. You're a nutter. Right, okay, everyone. I hope you have enjoyed today's episode. I have tried to cut it down from the last one because I thought maybe I might bore you too much. But thanks for watching. Excuse me. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.